Okay, so this is gonna be an update of my English IV, and you will not like it. So I got this plant for 2 years now, and it was growing beautifully. It was getting large that I need to repot, and sadly this is what happened. So if you're interested to see how this plant was looking before the repotting, I'm going to leave a link somewhere here or maybe down below. I had no problem growing this plant. It was beautiful. But once you touch the root ball, that's the end of it. And I'm also trying to propagate some of the cuttings, but I think no luck. It's been 3 weeks in water, and that's all I got. And each of the stem are like slowly wilting away. So I don't have any luck with English ivy, but yeah, I enjoyed it for 2 years. It was looking very beautiful, and I think it's time to say goodbye to this one. And so far that's the only problem I have with English ivy. Once you repot them, it's goodbye. Because I have another one here that was looking beautiful, and I actually prefer the variegation of this new one, but after the repotting, after you touch the root ball, like I said, it's goodbye. So yeah, that's all about this plant. Really, it stays beautiful for quite some time, and you can't really do much, just to enjoy it while it lasts, and at the end of it, it's time to say goodbye. So yeah, don't forget to check the old upload that I have, because this was really looking beautiful. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.